Okay. Burning. Ow. Do you reckon if I sing to my pancake, you'll be happy? Yum. Hey, Mr. SOS, please. No, don't. You're gonna use that and I don't want to see me seen dancing. Mr. DJ Samba. I forgot what we were doing for a second. Just for 1 second, I forgot what we were doing. I'm so happy with that. Okay, apron is on. Let's start cooking. Hi, welcome back to my channel, lovers. How are you today? What you doing? What are you cooking? Let me know. So today, so good, but like so bad, but so good. Buttermilk pancakes. Yum. Acidity. Yum. Nutella. Yum. Banana? Yum. Oh, you love it? Okay, cool, because a lot of people don't like bananas. I think the buttermilk pancakes with Nutella and bananas. So excited for this. Flour. I've sifted it, but now it's kind of getting all clumpy again. Chill, don't worry. We've got some baking powder and baking soda. Recipes down below, so you're gonna get all of the measurements and all of that stuff, but baking powder, baking soda. I think it's about half a teaspoon of each. Salt. Pinch. Good pinch. Again, I love salt flakes. They're heaven. We're gonna give that a whizzy. Oh God, I hate this whisk. Whizzy. Just so it's all incorporated and gorge, and a little bit of sugar, which I forgot, some sugs. About a tablespoon of sugar into that will be gorge. Alright, I'll keep this spoon just in case, seeing as it only went into the sugs. Give that a little whiskey, pop. So obviously baking powder, baking soda really likes the egg and the buttermilk, that helps it rise. So we've got a bowl here with, I think this was 240 mils of buttermilk. Oh, luxurious. I love the texture of buttermilk and the taste. Sour. Got an egg. Straight into the bowl. Gorgy. I've got some melted butter. This is about 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter, or like 25, 26 grams, 27 grams, 28 grams, whatever. That fat really helps everything kind of become luxurious as well. I also like to add a little bit of vanilla bean paste. If you've got vanilla essence, you can, but I love vanilla bean paste. If you don't like vanilla, don't worry about it. But when I cook sweets, a little bit of vanilla goes such a long way. All right, let's give this a whisk. You just want everything combined, basically. Am I missing anything? No. So this is basically your wet ingredients. That's gonna go into your dry ingredients. When you make a drier pancake mixture, and if you've got enough leavener in it, so the egg, the baking powder, the baking soda, what happens is you get these beautiful texture that makes it rise, so you get fluffier pancakes. That's why I don't really bother with making like the meringue, so whipping the egg whites and folding them through, because I think, who wants to eat pancakes with lumps of meringue in it? Like when it's not sweet, it's nothing, it's just like egg white. I prefer it when it's like this. Battery, thick, yum, delicious. Now, don't be too worried if there are little bits of flour in it. What happens when this cooks is they will explode. When they explode, they soak in the rest of the batter and you will be fine. I wonder if I can do this with a stick blender. Your batter's done. If you let it rest, if you let it sit for about 15 minutes, it'll be better. Can't be bothered. Not gonna lie, I'm not gonna do that. So what you wanna do is butter the pan until the butter is all gorge and bubbly. Now I'm gonna put a tiny bit more butter in because I don't think that's enough. If it's enough for you, go for it. But I just put like a little dollop of butter in. This just helps the non-stick kind of side. Now you want it to bubble, but you also don't want the pan to be too hot. You don't want the bottom to burn. I'm gonna grab maybe a third cup of this guy. Gonna put him in. Oh, heaven. Heaven. She's missing an angel. Now we let it cook. So right now, nice temperature. But what I want to do is wait until these little bubbles form on top, and that says that the mixture underneath is cooked. I'm going to turn the heat down to a medium now because I think the pan is hot enough. Oh my God, it's happening. Oh my God, can you see the bubbles? The rains are here, but they're bubbles, not rains. Sometimes my first one doesn't work because sometimes I have my heat too high, and I feel like that might be the situation right now, but we'll just see. We'll see what happens. As you can see, because of the leavener in the mixture, the pancakes, even though they're quite flat, have risen. Love that. Exactly what I wanted. I planned for it, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're flipping. Very short 10 seconds. All right. Ah, first one's burnt. Why is it? Why is it that always the first pancake never works? Let me know if I'm right, but I think the first one never works is because the temperature's never right, and so you got to play with the temperature. And then after that first one, you kind of know, too hot. And then you turn it down, and then it all works. Oh, they're soft though. Who has pancakes at 4 in the afternoon? We do. Look how gorgeous that pancake is though. But it is burnt on one side. So let's fix it. Butter. Buttery, 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 buttery. Batter goes in. I don't know what this does. I just wanted to do this. I don't think it does anything. Do you reckon if I sing to my pancake, it'll be happy?
I think so.
No. Okay. That's looking pretty set. Flip. Better. Not as burnt. We like. And we like a lot. All right, we're good. Gorge. Next one. We're gonna run through probably another 5 or 6 of these. 4 maybe of these. We're gonna make a nice little stack.
I'm putting that in.
I'm not putting this in.
Yeah, you don't want to see how that looks like. Let me show you.
Oh my God, Nutella is so yum. I'm scared there's still Nutella on my teeth. Now, if you kind of want that char, so see here, it's pretty even. You get a nice brown layer. If you want more of the bubbles, the holes like here, all you have to do is leave it to cook on the other side for longer. And what happens is those bubbles on top really form. And once they're really set, when you move them over, the mixture doesn't fill the bubbles. So you'll have very obvious holes to catch all of those sauces that you want. So we might do that for the last one so you can catch all that Nutella. Hey, Mr. SOS, please. No, don't. You're gonna use that and I don't want to be seen dancing. No, no, no. We're not doing that. I forgot what we were doing for a second. Just for 1 second, I forgot what we were doing. Let's just flip it. Nice. Just leave it at the door, please. Just leave it at the door, please. Can you hear that?
I don't think he heard it.
Can they hear that? Oh my God. Can we hear that? There's a man at the door. He has a package. He's in the house. He's in the house. He's in the house. Amy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I thought it was a delivery man, so I kept saying I pressed the button and I was like, just leave it at the door. And he just looked at me like, what? We've got construction happening right now, and it was a construction person, not a delivery person. Cute. Hey, let's try and do two. 2 pancakes. Let's see how this goes. Whenever I do this, it never works. One. Two. Please work. Don't join up. Don't join up. Don't join up. They're reaching out to each other. Did you know that you can make buttermilk from butter? Yes, butter, from butter. Yes, no, from butter.
Yeah.
Did you know that? I think I'm right. Oh, I need to Google this. Guys, can you make buttermilk from butter? I think you can. I think what you do is you whip butter until it splits. So you keep whipping it until it splits, and then what's left over is butter. No, you whip cream until it splits, and what's left over, one is buttermilk and the other is butter. Yeah, I think, is that it? Is that what you do? Because in my head, that is what you do, but I could be sadly mistaken. All right, we got holes. Oh, that one's cute. Gorge. Oh! Hey, Mr. DJ Samba. Butter me, buttercup. Baby, can't you see? I'm falling. That's 3 seconds. Womanizer, womanizer, oh, womanizer, baby. You. Why am I only singing Britney Spears songs? Sweet Caroline. Sorry guys, I've just pretty much ignored you, and the whole time I've just been talking to my videographer about songs that could probably get this video taken down because of copyright. Okay, so our pancakes are done. They're looking gorgy goo. So what I'm gonna do, one. This is so sexy. 2. Is that that's enough Nutella for the stack? Surely. So 2 tablespoons of Nutella. Let's do like a tablespoon, just under a tablespoon of milk. What happens now is you mix. You can use cream as well if you want, and it'll be kind of like a Nutella ganache. So, look at that. Is that not just so luxurious? It's so beautiful and delicious and luxurious and silky, and it goes great on pancakes or on your future ex-husband. Cool. Let's get started with the plate. Chopping board comes back. Got some banana. Just whatever. Slice them however you want, however thick you want. You want a couple of pieces thicker? Grab a couple of pieces, make them thicker. Okay, hands are washed. Time to plate up. Super duper uber excited about this one because I get to eat Nutella after. 1 pancake. Couple piece banana. Banana. Little bit of the drizzle. Another pancake. Another couple pieces of banana. I don't know why I sound like the Count. Little bit drizzle. Ooh. Some banana again. Look at that stack of pancakes. They're sexual. These are... All right, I've got one left over. Let's try it. I don't even want to talk about this. Oh my God. That is freaking phenom. Guys, do yourself a favor, whatever. You gotta try that. You gotta make this, you gotta eat it. This bit is about to drop. It's about to drip. It's about to drip. It's gonna drip any second. Oh! What the hell? If this is not inviting, I don't know what is. Make this for anyone that you love, anyone you hate, and they'll love you. Make it for anyone, really. You're gonna froth it. I frothed it. You're gonna froth it. After you shoot this, you're gonna have to eat all of that because I can't have more. But I am going to die. I'm so happy with this. This is beautiful. Such an easy recipe. Give it a go yourself. Comment, subscribe, like, all of the good things below. Follow me. I don't have this recipe in my cookbook, but I do have a cookbook, so feel free to buy. There will be a link below as well. It's called The Gay Guy's Guide, or A Gay Guy's Guide. I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna polish the entire thing off with my friend here, even though I said that I won't. I will. And that's it for me today. Lovely to see you guys again. Thank you for watching. These are my Nutella and banana buttermilk pancakes. Absolutely yum. See you soon. Bye.